Hey guys, so today we are going to be making Nigerian puff puff. So you bring out a bowl or whatever you want to use. I am using this active dry yeast. I am going to be putting 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast. And then I am going to be putting 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then a cup of water, a cup of warm water. And stir that together, mix together, and then cover up with a towel or with a towel, and leave that for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes we are back, and this is what your mixture should look like. Then now we are going to go ahead and add your flour. So I used 3 cups of flour and a cup of sugar. You're going to go ahead and mix that all together, and then now this is the time to add more water. I added another cup of water. You just have to know the right consistency to work with. More like, this is time you pay more attention, look and see how the consistency is in what I am doing. Yeah, look at that. So now I'm going to be adding milk in this particular puff puff. You have different ways of making puff puff. I already have a video on my channel where I made puff puff, but that one was without milk. So this one is with milk. You can do anything you want. When it comes to cooking, there are some food that there's no rule to this thing. Just do your thing. So now you're watching the consistency and see how your batter is going to be. So what I added was a half cup of milk. I think I didn't say that earlier. So you go ahead and mix it properly, You can see how it is looking, and then you have to cover it up again for 30 minutes or less. It just depends on when you see it done. 30 minutes or less. So this is what it is looking like after covering it up the second time. So you're going to go ahead, use your hand and punch it down just to reduce and mix it all together. So now you're looking at it, you can see the consistency as I'm turning it. This is what your puff puff batter should look like. You can see how stretchy it is right now. So in a wok or a frying pan or a pot or whatever you want to use, you need to put your vegetable oil, your oil, frying oil, whichever you're using, and let it get hot. It should not, remember that your oil should not be too hot and it should not be too warm, like not hot enough. It should be in between, because if it is too hot, your puff puff is just going to burn, and then it won't be done properly inside. And if it is not too hot, your puff puff is just going to stay there and keep draining, taking all the oil in. So it just has to be the right consistency, not too hot, and it has to be hot enough as well. I don't know how else to put that, but you understand what I mean. So after that, you're just going to go ahead and keep putting in your puff puff the way you can, any way you can. You just throw it in there. I mean, to me, I try to make it round enough, but it doesn't matter. What matters to me is how it tastes right now. So it doesn't matter how it looks. Round enough, not round enough. It should better be nice. That's all. So you don't have to struggle so much making it look perfectly round and all that. If you're new to this channel, you already see what we are doing, what this channel is all about. I give you guys all the great recipes that I know, everything. I love cooking. I enjoy cooking. So my name is Ada. Sorry if you're new here. I just love cooking. I enjoy cooking. So I decided to also, show other people what I can do, and they also get to learn from it. I just enjoy cooking. I love cooking. Whenever I'm kind of like, how do I put it, stressed or something, I just cook. I cook. I love cooking. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please do go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. Click on the notification bell as well. And as this video is going on, please go ahead right now and give it a thumbs up. Yes, like this video. And don't forget at the end of this video to leave a comment down below in the comment section for me and let me know what you think about this video. And also, very important for my channel, let other people get to see my channel. Please share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, that is it. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. So this is my first batch and I am going in for the second batch right now. So when you subscribe, you turn on your notification, so whenever I post a video, you get to know that I have posted. I post videos every Sunday on this channel. I post video every Sunday, and I also have my other channels, my beauty channel and my lifestyle, vlog channel. I'll leave everything in the description box down below, and I'll also leave the measurements and everything down below, just in case you did not catch that while I was saying it, but I believe you can. So you fry your waffle until it's like golden brown. It mustn't really be like, not burnt, but golden brown. So it depends on how you love your own. I love mine perfectly like this, as it is. Okay, so look at that yummy goodness. Oh Lord, look at that. Oh my gosh, the color is so beautiful. This is why some of us that are on weight loss journey or plan or whatever, we can't achieve it. This is why. Oh my gosh. So this is the last batch, and yeah, we have our Nigerian waffle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I'll definitely be seeing you all in my next video. Bye.